So, you're using self-rising white cornmeal.
And flour, self-rising, because it just seems like it makes it grow nicer. But I have a cup of each.
Gotcha.
Self-rising. I also am going to have a cup of sugar. So that's kind of easy. Cup, cup, and cup.
Now this is Bear Camp cornbread. We had it in Ontario, so it's sweet.
It's candy.
So you put sugar in here
Lots of sugar.
because with the onions and the jalapenos and the corn, it is so sweet and so good.
It is delicious.
This is not Southern cornbread. We're from the South, but this is not Southern cornbread. This is Bear Camp. We made this in Ontario. We needed
That's right.
sustenance and carbs.
Well, you got to cut the hot stuff we're putting in there. So this is perfect.
Trust me on this, and if you don't want to put it in there, don't put
You
it in
can
there.
go less
This
sugar
is
if you
not,
want.
This
You can
is
go
not
less.
Southern cornbread.
I also have 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Looks like there's some salt in
And
there.
they're also salt. 1 teaspoon of salt in that.
Gotcha.
All right, now I'm going to take a cup, and you can use milk, but I have heavy cream.
Oh.
We're making this dessert
You can
cornbread.
use buttermilk too if you want.
You could. So we got a cup of milk. I got a 1/3 cup of oil
Gotcha.
and 2 eggs.
That's
gonna
just olive oil, right?
yes, and 2 eggs. And this is going to be kind of our base before we put all the good stuff in that you like to add.
If you see us using oil, it is always going to be avocado or olive, period.
me
That's all
taste
we
it.
use.
That's good stuff.
Cake.
All right, now we're going to put this onion in. This is a 1/3 of an onion. That's a lot of onions.
Yellow
That's why you need sweet.
Yes.
Look at it. That's probably that's a 1/3 of an onion. That's a lot of onion.
Yellow
But
sweet onion.
That's right, yellow sweet. Because we gotta cut the sugar.
Oh,
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
I probably have about, I say, a 1/3 of a cup here, and some of the juice.
oh yeah. You know, slowly Mrs. Farmer is eating things hotter and hotter. She's coming around.
The sugar's gonna cut this. And then we have some corn. I'd probably have about, I'd say, half a cup of corn there.
You can use cream corn, you can use regular corn.
And that's it. See how simple?
Oh, would you look at that?
And I'm gonna put this in a 9x9 pan, and we're gonna watch it for like 20, 25 minutes, or maybe longer.
This is Joe's recipe.
It is.
Kind of Joe's recipe.
This is like cake cornbread.
Oh,
You
I
gotta-
don't know how much sugar he put in it, but you know, my mom made sweet cornbread when we were kids, and oh, it was sinfully
So
good.
delicious. Okay. Pretty simple. You can let this cook up while you make your delicious white, we call it white turkey chili.
White turkey chili. White turkey smoked chili.
Ooh, it's even better. All right. Yummy, yummy. That's it.
Pop
That's
it
good
in.
stuff already. Yep.
350.
Oh, that tastes so good already.
I know it does.
I'm gonna sneak some cornbread.
Our dip sitting here looking at us is absolutely wonderful.